Hello everyone, it's me Adrian, and today in this short tutorial, I hope, I will solve the Sudoku's day on Sudoku Coach. Let's see how lucky we are. Okay, so today's Sudoku of the day. It was solved already 206 times and it's a hard one. I'm from Ireland. I don't know from where is the streamer. Let's start the puzzle. Okie dokie. So, as usual, I will start with the logical candidates, what I can fill. Once, nothing. As you noticed, I'm not adding Schneider notes yet when filling without the all notes. So once, here, this is one. No, I don't see anything. 1, 1, 1, 2. Here and here. 1, nothing. 3, 3, 3, 3. And here. And this is a 3. Okay, these two are 3, 3, and the whole line is a 3, 3, so nothing more. 4, I don't see anything. 5, this is a 5, and these two are 5, 5, 5. These two, I'll jump to 6. Nothing. 6, here and here. 7. 7 is here and here. Here. 8. Nothing. Empty. 9. Nothing. So I guess I will start with the notes. So I managed to fill only 2 candidates without the notes. Okay, let's start our puzzle. And number 1, we have a single number 1 here, a hidden single. I can fill it. I can fill, not feel it. Okay, locked candidates, locked, but they don't help us. 8, 3, 8, 3. So we have a naked pair. We can eliminate all the 8 and 3s on this column and this block. So let's start with this cell. Take out 8 and 3, 8 from here, and in this block 8, 8, and it will be a 5, 8, 8, and 8. Let's fill the 5 in there. Now we have a 2, and what else? Locked candidates, locked, but there is no help. Let's jump back to the notes. 2, I don't know where I was. I think I was with 3. Let's see 3. So 3, nothing. 4, where is the 4? Here. Ah, I see a naked pair, 7, 9, 7, 9. So on this column we cannot have any other 7 and 9. So this cell is 6, 7, 9. We take out 7, 9, we have a 6. And 8, 3, 8, 3, 7, 9, 7, 9. And that's it. 8, 3, 8, 3. Okay, let's go on with the notes. I was with 4, no? Let's stick to the plan. 5, a single hidden 5. Let's fill it. Another one. And we are done with 5. Let's see number 6. Where is it? Here. 6. I don't see anything. 7. 7, 9, 7, 9. I can take out from this row all the 7s and the 9. And also from here. So I'll take out the 9. So now we have 1, 4, 1, 4. But it doesn't help us, the naked pair on this column and this block. So 7, 9, 7, 9, nothing. Naked triple, 2, 8, 9, 2, 9, 8, 9, but also it doesn't help us on this column. Another thing, I don't see. What was again the note? I think 7. I think we have a single hidden here, a 7. We fill it. And now another 7 here. It looks easy. 8, 6, 9. It's a triple, but it doesn't help us. What else do we have? 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. So we have a naked triple. So we can eliminate on this column all the other 1, 4, and 8s. Take out the 8 from here, we have a 2. We take out the 4 from here and we are left with a 7. What? I didn't move the... Sorry. Okay, so we have a 7. So all the row, it's filled. Okay. Back to the notes. I think I was with 8. Nothing. At least at the first glance. 9. I don't... yeah. This is the locked candidates on this row, on this column. This one cannot be here, therefore we have a 9 in here. And now we have 46, 46, 86. It's a naked triple, but is useless. 3 here, 3 here. Okie dokie. Let's go back to 1. Because every time you feel something during the process, you create space and you have to check again. A nice sip of my coffee. 2, 9, 2, 8, 9. Another 3. I checked already this one. Okay, let's see number 2. Just a quick look at the notes. I don't see anything. 3. 4. 2, 2, 2, 2, nothing. 5. It's already filled. 6. I don't see anything yet. 7. 2 7s. We have a skyscraper here. This column and this column. If we have a common candidate that sees both of the ends of this skyscraper, we could eliminate it, but unfortunately we don't have one. Okay, let's move on to 8. Locked, locked. I don't see anything. 9. 7, 9. Nothing. Okay, let's have a visual look. Maybe we missed something. 1, 4, 8. It's already done. Usually, what's happening? It's very, very easy to miss hidden pairs or hidden candidates, hidden singles. So let's be aware of that. For example, here you have only 2. You can already be suspicious because you might have a hidden pair. I would guess 1 4 1 4, but unfortunately we have it here, so we don't. Okay, we have only 2 3s, 6 and 8, no. Okay, 8 9, 6 9, 7 9 here, 2 8 9, 7 9. Okay, let's see. I like this one. It looks a bit complicated. It's not that easy. Ticking box. 1 4 8 1 4 8. Seven 9, 7 6. 2 4 6. But it doesn't help us. So I will see if we have here a hidden rectangle. A hidden rectangle is when you have at least one corner with a naked pair. You check the diagonal, so you have a rectangle, okay? The candidates from the naked pair, you find them in the corners, on the column and the rows. So we have here A3, A3, A3. You check usually on the diagonal to see if you have the 8 and 3, and if the candidates of the unique rectangle doesn't repeat in the block, column, or the row where they are. But unfortunately we have them here, so we cannot fill that. I missed that opportunity. We have another one, 1 4 1 4, 1 4 8 1 4 8, but also this one doesn't help us because we have 1 4 8 here. Okie dokie. 7 9 is no help. I'll put the notes again because probably I missed something. We started very fast, but now I am stuck. 8 3 1 4 8 6 8 9 1. Okay, let's go with 2. These 2 2 2. No X-wing, no swordfish, no nothing. Let's see number 3. Nothing here. Yeah, we have here a potential empty rectangle. When you have one column and one row filled with candidates in one block, and they are linked with a strong link on a column, on a row, or a row, the end of the link should be connected with the original shape, L shape, with another candidate. So this candidate can see the end of the strong link and the L shape, and could be eliminated, but in this case it's already filled, so we have no use. I think I spotted something. 3 4 8 6. 3 4. No, I didn't spot anything. Okay, number 4. We have 2. We have this. Number 5, it's filled. Number 6, I think. these two. Number 7 and number 8, 2, 3, 4. No, we don't have anything. Okay, number 8. Empty, empty. We have this strong link, but nothing is connecting with it. Locked candidates here. I didn't see them. So we can eliminate all the 8s from here. Sorry, this. Okay, so here we have a 1 now. And I think we are starting to see progress. We have another 1. Here, 2, 9, 2, 8, 9, 7, 6. I don't see. Let's get back to the notes. So, okay, 1, 2, and nothing. Number 3. Number 4. Yeah, locked candidates. Here I can take out all the 4s. And now we need to check again. At least the 4s. 8, 3, 8, 3, 3, 4, 8. Naked. 8, 3. Naked pair. So we can eliminate A3 from here, and we have a 4 in there. Okay, and it's still not cracked. We have a 4. Yeah, I think we finished. It took me a lot this time, maybe because I speak too much, but if I don't speak, I don't make myself understood. 8, yeah, now it's just ticking boxes. Okay, 8, we have a 3, 4, 1, 8, 1, 8. Okay, 7. I feel only the singles, to not apply any other rules. So basically, this is a simple hard Sudoku solved with the simple rules. Singles, doubles, triples, and that's it. No, maybe we can apply X-wing, swordfish formations, Y-wings, but when we do that, that puzzle is not anymore a hard one. I think it's the next level, which on this site it's called, I think, vicious. But let's see, this is a 1, this is a 3. I will do also a vicious soon. Again, live. Hopefully I'm able to solve it. If not, that's it. 7. Okie dokie, 18 minutes. So, if you want to find out anything, any rule, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much. Adrian out. Bye bye.